All right, welcome back to the Code Channel. My name is Max, and in this video, I want to show you kind of how you should approach getting your first software development job and what the pay expectations should be. And I want to kind of tell you my process of how I got mine all the way up to getting my full salary jobs that paid near 6 figures. So let's go ahead and dive into that. So the first step is you actually have to be somewhat skilled at programming. From my experience, I thought that I needed to have X amount of skill when really it was more down here. You don't really need that much skill to get into the workforce because the demand is so high for developers. Now, with that being said, your first couple jobs with such low skill aren't gonna be that high in pay. I would expect anywhere from $15 to $20 an hour for your first job. Now, obviously you can work that and maybe get paid like 30 for your first job, but that's gonna be a lot harder to find, especially if you have a lower skill level. So step one in getting your first job is getting those skills to where you can build a basic page with HTML, CSS, and something with React or Angular, okay? Those are the two frameworks / libraries that I would recommend you learn, is specifically Angular and React, because they both have their benefits. React is a little bit easier to learn, but point is you want to learn Angular or React, and then you can get a job paying something like $15 to $20 an hour. Now, here's the thing you don't want to do. You don't want to stay at that job for more than a year. Now, that's my own opinion. There might be benefits of staying longer than that, but I stayed for 2 years at my first job doing Swift iOS development, and that was a huge mistake because I was only paid $15 an hour, and then the job I got after that paid like 23, and then a month after that I started making $80,000 a year. Okay, and that was just my first full salary job. Okay, so what I'm saying is you're actually worth a lot more than you think you are after you have at least 6 months to a year of experience. Once you have that initial experience, you're ready to apply for $40,000, $60,000 salary jobs. Okay, now I wouldn't sell yourself short and accept something that pays low just because they give you the offer, but it's up to you to determine if that's a good offer. Like, if you like the job requirements and you think it would be a fun job, I would take it for the experience and if it pays enough, right? Now, if you don't really care for the language and it's paying low, then I'd recommend looking around. Okay, but generally, in conclusion, the thing you want to do is you want to find your first job paying $15 to $20 an hour, work there from 6 months to a year, and then you want to start applying to higher salary full-time positions. All right, now there's a lot more information I could get into on this subject, and I'll do that in future videos that are going to be about 2 to 3 minute long videos because I want to keep these short and packed with information. That's it for this video. If you have any more questions or anything, just drop them down below and I'll make a video on it. All right, peace.